Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to make this really easy scratch card. It's a Flappy Bird game, as you can see by the title. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to do this. It's a very easy game. For the pipes, this is the code, and for the bird, only this. It's like so easy, and the stage has this. Okay. It's not really much. You can do another thing. I really don't think this is needed. Okay. I already did that. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to do that and show you. I'm gonna make a new one. Okay. Come. So first, what you gotta do is you have to delete the sprite, go to backdrops, and then go to events. When clicked, okay. First we're going to do the code for this backdrop, and then we're going to paint the backdrop properly. So when this clicked, what you have to do is take a forever loop, yeah, and then sound. You don't have any sound, right? So instead of recording, go to sounds, add a sound. So all of these sounds are there. What to use? You just have to type video game. This is nice. This is also nice, but I'm gonna use this. So this is the only one. I think we should delete this. Okay. After this, forever loop, play sound video game 1 until done. If you use video game 2, that's also nice. Or you could just make your own thing. So I like to take it from this. This is the only thing. It's 5 seconds long. It plays on repeat loop. Okay. So after now you gotta paint the backdrop. Fill, make the color full. Then make this blue like that. You know what that is equipped. Convert to bitmap. Just do that. Convert to vector. Okay. So now if you want, you can just type some things like Flappy Bird and all. I don't want to do that. So I don't want to do that now. Okay. So I'm done with the stage. Now what about the sprites? The sprites code is kind of long. So after you have to go to paint a sprite, and then first you gotta make the backdrop. I mean the sprite. So first make this yellow. I'm gonna make the bird right now. So this it's okay if it's big at first. You can make it small. You know what just happened right now. That just need to make it a perfect circle. Now make another small circle. No, I recommend doing beaks. that, and then that. Yes. Now fill yellow. Yes. Now you just have to make lines for feet. Look. Okay, so I think the beak is too long. So I don't know. Okay, it's okay. I'm just, this bird takes too much time to make actually. The pipes and the stage is very straightforward actually. Okay, fill with blue. Okay, this color is nice. Yes, I think so. I have to make small. Oh, man. Right, I'm gonna make this small. Um, don't know. It's okay, you can make it nice. Oh my god. I seriously think I should just. If I don't make it nice, it'll look fake. I mean, it'll look very bad. It looks kind of like a zombie. Oh, don't tell me. I know that. So, after you made the bird, come to code, when flap lit, and then looks, go to show, and then make a variable. Check for the sprite only, change in y. Okay, so put okay. So after you make the variable, you're going to go to set change in y to that, go to 8. I think it's 8. Yes. Yes. And then go to this, and then go to X, where it's supposed to start. I have made it, I have already done it before, so I made it my X minus 8, minus 183, and Y 11. So when I do that, if I go to the, so it comes over here. Now this is where you want it to be, right? So it's over here. Now you can just move it. If you want that, then you can do that. I have made it proper. So I wanted it to be like this, so I made it. It's not compulsory. So now you have to take a forever loop from control, then variables, change I think it's, yeah, change y by, and then variables change in y. Yes. Now then take an if then statement, put it inside the for loop, just below this, and then go to sensing, then mouse down, then go to go to variables, set change in y to 7. Yes. Now after that, point in direction of 45. Now take an if then statement, and then inside this operators smaller than 90, then I think it is the direction, I think so. Motion and yeah, direction. Okay. Now yeah, then turn 45 degrees. Right. 4 degrees I should say. Yes. Now take an if then statement again outside this. Okay. Then touching. Okay, so this much you need to do, and then you have to make the new sprite. Then this is the pipes. So let's do that. Okay, fill is full. Let's make this that much. Okay, I think so. That's it's very fat, I know, but I thought that was a 7. Okay, so that, and then okay, I think it should be 10. That, and so yeah, this down like this. As you can see, the center is over here, and it's like this. Now, if you have to Just copy one and paste it, or else make the same thing, or else just duplicate this thing. It's the same. So now just flip vertical. As you can see, it's like that. So hold this and put it as down as possible, about that much window, and then just pull it out. Even this will come. So now do that, and then if I go like this, see, oh my god, okay, so now you have to name this top pipe and bottom pipe, okay. uh, Top pipe, and this bottom pipe, okay. Good code. If now touching sprite 2, I think I should rename this pipes, and then this has to be bird, okay. Then if touching pipes, first I have to get operators, or keep this inside this, or if pipe is smaller than, take this one and then go to that, and then y position is smaller than minus 187, then go to events, I think, control stop all, now this is the code for the bird. I'm going to make another video about some time later, today only, so stay tuned for that. Bye, and see you next time. Bye guys, and see you next time.